This is Boot Hill Distillery's Prickly Ash Bitters. Prickly Ash Bitters is a modern American amaro made here in Kansas. Once used as patent medicine, it was advertised as the cure-all that would cure anything from indigestion to eruptions of the skin. In reality, it was really all alcohol and a recipe of botanicals. Starting in 1863, Prickly Ash Bitters was manufactured clear up to 1915. Prickly Ash Bitters starts off as our vodka distillate, or our 100% hard red winter wheat. It's proofed down to 35%, and a recipe of 16 botanicals is macerated into the spirit. A lot of them are gin botanicals: juniper, coriander, bitter orange peel, chamomile. But we also add some exotics: buchu leaf, cenopods, and even prickly ash bark itself. Now, this ties back to the Old West. This was definitely sold here in Dodge City, which is why we had to recreate it. So first, notice the color. This has got a kind of a dark amberish color that mimics whiskey, but this is not a whiskey. The spirit starts off as perfectly clear. Now in the nose, oh my God, this is just a powerful bouquet of flavors. Definitely getting orange peel out of it, getting the warm allspice notes out of it. Right up front, you get this wallop of menthol and licorice. There's 16 other botanicals that were invited along to this party, and they all kind of play in succession. The finish, you get this beautiful orange peel, allspice, and even the sweetness from the chamomile flower in it. And on the end, the prickly ash bark kicks in. Prickly ash bark has a numbing effect to it, and that kind of sticks with you on your tongue and in your mouth. Sure, this is great mixed in with other spirits, but also works as maybe an after-dinner digestive as well.